Hello guys, hello and welcome. So in this video, I'm going to teach you about the sorting and filtering in Excel and why we are going to do this because we are learning data analysis using Excel. So we have multiple columns over here, category, product, store, volume, price, cost, and I want to sort it out all those filters. Like I want to sort my product filters. So I'll go here, sorting filter, smallest to largest. As you can see, when I sort this column, these sorting also change. If I want to do it again, C, A, B, C, A, C, D, F, E, C, D, E. So when I select sort 1, it will sort others too. So the product is sorted by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but the store will be changed. So what I want to do, I want to sort product and store 2. So what we're gonna use, I am gonna use multi-level sorting. So how can I do this? Let's click on this and let's go for the custom sort. Okay, let's select this and let's custom sort. Right, so let's add the column B, right, and it's smallest to largest, which is right. And what I want to sort, another, okay, I want to sort at level, and I want to sort column C, which is the store, from A to Z. Okay, so this is the rule that I can apply for the multi-level sorting. So the product will sort from 1 to 5 and the store will sort from A to E with respect to product sorting. So it will combine two sorting. Okay. Okay, so now you can see this sorting will happen. This is a product 1, 2, 3, 4, and it will sort, not the text. And this is A, E, B, 2C, 3A, 3C, 4D, 5E, and F. So this column sort and this column sorts. Thank you for today.